A beautiful day to present such a beautiful boat. This is the NX370 hardtop version. A very nice boat, as you can notice, and also with a very good performance. Extremely intelligent exploitation of all the spaces. Large sun pad here at the bow. You can pass through the windshield with a door, and the hardtop is open right now. Very spacious cockpit. Nice and inviting for relaxation and enjoyment. Stern platform. But what she loves the most is to navigate. So let's turn those engines on and go into the ocean here in Rio de Janeiro. I'm Captain Fred Paino. I have the privilege to take you to this tour. One of the nicest features of this boat is the integration between all the spaces, from the bow to the stern, passing through the cockpit. You may see this spacious stern platform. You can put a rib or even a jet. You have a locker here for your fenders and anything that you need. More lockers here to store anything that you want. The summer kitchen, the gourmet space as we call here in Brazil. First of all, beautiful piece, grab a rail here, and then you open and you have everything that you need for a nice gastronomy on board. Electrical grill, because this boat has a generator, could be charcoal or even gas. The cutting board, trash bin, pressurized water, and anything that you need. Coming inside this companionway, you have this door. It's nice for kids or even for a pet. The electrical kits are here, fire extinguisher. Another creative solution, you have this door here for the trash bin, so you can put anything that you want into a funnel that goes into the bilge with a bag, and also some courtesy lights around the cockpit. This is the hardtop version, very spacious. A lot of ceiling height here, voluminous boat, as you can notice. The quality finishing of all the materials and everything is above the competition. A lot of windows, so we have a natural lighting into the boat. Over here to port side, L-shaped, a very long sofa, and the upholstery is premium, so you can sit here with a lot of comfort. This table, besides being very practical because you can unfold, you can use it as a grab rail to move around into the waves. Another settee over here, and also clever solution for your cooler. You come into the boat with your beer and drinks, and you can put the cooler over here to port side. Another, not just an ice box, it's a fridge, as you have a temperature control. You can put glasses here. You have more spaces to store your glasses that come into the boat already with the NX logo, because they have NX store, some accessories that you can put into your boat. And going through the bow, you have this open here in the windshield, and then you pass. You also have a smaller door here to protect you when you want to close the hardtop as well. This companionway, very wide, as you can walk back into the bow, and you have this nice sun pad here for 3 people to sit, and also with a backrest, very comfortable position over here. And you can notice how wide this bow is. And now it's time to relax and take a kind of a sun bath here in Rio de Janeiro in the NX370. Super complete helm station. They love all those digital screens. You can configure it any way that you want. All the buttons super well identified. The music, the VHF, the helm, joystick, trim tab. You can accelerate your engines here, all those tags for certification and safety. The seat, you can move up as the way you like. You can put your feet over here and also put up. And the boat is certified for 60 people during the day and 4 or even 6 at night. Let's go into the cabin through this sliding door. You have a locker for your safety, and you can also keep it open while you're cruising. Well appointed and a good ceiling height for you to standing up inside the cabin. Here at the bow, you have this table configured for a gala dinner, very beautiful as well. And you can put this down. Even the hardware from NX is premium, so you can put this down and become a very spacious and comfortable bed here at the bow. The sun pad right above, without it compromising the ceiling height here for you to sit during your meal. And also here we have a complete galley with pressurized water, induction stove, premium fridge, lockers to store anything that you need, microwave oven, some accessories from NX. And this window here is very important for ventilation, lighting, and also if you want to cook inside the boat. At amidships, you have this spacious bed with appropriate volume and amplitude for a couple to spend the night. At the back of it, you have the locker and a big drawer to store anything that you need inside the boat while you are cruising. And here you have a complete head, the toilet super premium, including the space for your shower is separated, not to wet the whole bathroom, and anything that you need pressurized all the accessories, and also hatch for ventilation and natural lighting inside the head of the boat. For a scenery to test the performance of such a nice boat, this one is configured with a pair of Mercruiser 300 horsepower each, with a Bravo 3 stern drive propulsion, and also you can put more power if you like. For me this is more than enough, but a pair of 350 might be even better. So let's go to accelerate, adjust, engage the engines. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, it's super fast and responds quite quickly. It's a big boat, it's a heavy one. 20 knots. Putting the power up. 30 now. Let's check the top speed. Some waves here, which is even better to test the performance. 34 to nearly 35 knots, which is a pretty good performance for a cruising boat. Hold your horses, cowboy, so we can. Let's put her back to the cruise speed. The magical number is 3,700 RPM. The boat is going around 21, nearly 22 knots. An average consumption of 13 to 14 gallons per engine, which is super appropriate for the proposal of this boat. Wow, this was exciting. You don't expect such a performance of a cruising boat. It's super comfortable inside out, but the performance at the ocean was amazing. We got some waves out there of the Rio de Janeiro Bay, and the boat responded super quickly, super smoothly. The curves, super tight curves, more of us sweating very well with the sporty look that she has. It was fantastic. This is the basic configuration, a pair of 300 horsepower. We're talking about 600 horsepower combined here with a Bravo 3 propulsion from Mercury. If you like more power, you can put a pair of 250 or even a pair of 280 horsepower each. We're going to have a better acceleration, but maybe a bit more of a top speed, but in terms of performance it's going to be quite similar because of the whole design. Very beautiful boat. Above everything, you can notice this signature design from NX boats that you can identify one from far. And the boat has a very intelligent and creative configuration with a sun pad at the bow, this windshield that you can open with the companionway to communicate the people from the cockpit into the bow as well. Very spacious cockpit with two facing L-shaped sofas with a table in the stern platform. It's not just the amusement part of the boat, but you can have a lot of enjoyment over there. You can also cook and prepare your barbecue in the stern platform. They can also fit a big rib or even a jet. And inside, an amazing boat with a comfortable cabin, with the comfortable bed at the bow that you can transform even in a dining table, a mini galley, a complete head, and also an amazingly comfortable and spacious bed at amidships. So this was our presentation of this beautiful boat, the NX370 hardtop version here in Rio de Janeiro. And you can enjoy her anywhere in the world, especially in America when NX boats are making a lot of success. I'm Fred Payne. With me, the boat is your destination, and with the NX boats is even better. Let's go to navigate.